Let us see isometric projection of solid. Isometric projection is a method for visually representing three-dimensional object in two-dimension in engineering drawing. Question number 3. This question how to solve with AutoCAD. I explain now. Go to AutoCAD. You set the basic limit and units. Then here ensure that in isoplane left. Then take line command. See here the base length 60 into 90. Height is 10. Press Ortho F5. Ortho on. Press F5. 60 enter. Then this length 90 enter. Then again same 60. Draw the rectangle first. Enter. Then take line command from this corner to height we need press F5 10 enter. Escape again enter this corner again 10 enter. All the corners should be 10 mm height. Enter. Draw like this. Enter. Then you have join with the all the lines like this. Delete this line. Take line command from here to 10 mm height. Next, from this the 90 side, one slat 10 mm depth and 20 mm. Cut open. Select the line from this corner to this distance is 35, then 10 mm. From here to 35 and downwards some random length. Press enter. Trim like this, and this length is as per question 20 mm. From here to 20 enter. Downwards 10 mm height. Enter. Okay. Next, from here to here also 10 mm. Press F5 10 enter. Again F5. Length is 20. Enter. From here to join like this. Okay. Then go to trim. This cut open. You have to remove like this. Then this projection 10 mm. Enter. Then join with the corner. Okay. Next, from the 60 side, this corner to this distance is 12.5. Totally 65. This length is this corner to this corner 90. So here to take 12.5. Enter. Then height you need press F5. This height is 30 mm. Here to here 30 mm. Enter. Then this length is 17.5. Enter. Then press F5. This distance 10. Enter. Again F5. again 17.5, enter and close, enter. Okay. Next, here to here, same 12.5, enter, then join with the inclination. This rib thickness is 8 mm. Here to move 8, enter. Here also 8. So go to copy command, select this same inclination line, enter. From here to move it like this. Move, select the object, press enter, move it correctly like this, and delete the reference line. Okay. Next, here to this radius is 15 given, so diameter 30. I draw line here 30, enter. Then this is 10, enter. It is 17.5, enter. Again 10, enter, and close like this. Here also same, this corner to 12.5, enter, join with the corner, and rib thickness is 8. Select, copy, enter, keep it like this and move correctly. Select line. Okay. Now delete the reference line. Now this radius you have to draw. Radius is 15 mm. You need to draw the half circle or full circle. So in the isometric projection, don't draw a circle. We select the ellipse shape only. Go to axis end command, select iso circle, and it is center point of this, and change the circle direction. Radius is 15. Okay. The same circle you have to copy, press enter. This center, keep like this also. Okay. Now go to trim unwanted line. Half round only we need remove the unwanted lines. This line need trim. This line no need. And this line no need. Trim like this. This line no need. Okay. Now correctly come in the front shape. Now here also need no need line. Okay. Escape. Now take line command, From this corner to press F5, some random length, draw line from this edge to downwards, draw line. Go to trim. Okay. Now take line command, press F5, trim. Okay. Now take this line, this 10 mm length, up to the this corner, draw like this. Go to trim. This line only there. Next, in center one rib is the 8 mm thickness. This height not given, but this touch with the half round circle. From here to this distance is 10 mm. Okay, it is totally 8 mm thickness. So you have to move this side 4 mm, this side 4 mm. You got the same shape. Go to copy, enter. From here to this side 4 mm, escape. Again copy the same line from right side 4 mm, enter. Now this reference line, delete. It is not touching the half round circle, so go to extend this line. This is come to extra line, go to trim. It is projected some length, so you got projected, trim. Here touching the line, no problem. Next, from here to draw one vertical line. Take line from here to downwards, press F5, some random length. Then trim. Then here to here you have to join like this. This line you extend some length. Go to extend command. Next, trim the unwanted lines. This line only, this line only. Escape. Okay. As per the given dimension, these shapes we drawn. Everything it is correct only. Okay. Okay. Now give the dimensions one. Go to annotate. Select linear. This height 10 mm. It is small text. The dim style is you got to change it. Dim style. Go to modify. Text height. Set 5. And the symbols and arrow size you got to give 4. primary units, precision put 0, give OK, set current and close. Now it is visible. Go to aligned dimension from this length. As per question, it is 60 mm, aligned here to here 90. All the dimension give aligned dimension only. Here to here 20 mm. Is 10 mm, aligned. This height is 30 mm. Okay, 10 mm. This radius is a yard. Select leader. Press F8. Type manually or pretty much 15 radius. Enter. Yes. Okay, now give the oblique dimensions. So this and enter. Aligned. Sorry, oblique. This one and this one. This one. Enter. Again oblique. This one and enter. It is now straight. Oblique. This one. This one. Enter. Select this dimension. Enter. As per dimension, we done this model. Finally, I change the colors. Go to home, select the by layer, select any suitable color. Okay, thank you.